Choosing between the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the Air 3S is easily one of the toughest decisions any drone pilot has to make right now. You are essentially looking at two powerhouses that share the same high-end image sensor, but they offer completely different flying experiences. Imagine having the exact same stunning 1-inch sensor in a tiny drone that fits in your pocket versus a larger, more rugged machine built for the elements. It is a classic battle between portability and power. In this video, we are going to break down every single detail to see which of these drones actually deserves a spot in your gear bag. The most striking difference starts the moment you hold them. The Mini 5 Pro is incredibly small and lightweight, coming in at just 253 grams. This makes it a dream for travelers because it fits anywhere and falls into the beginner-friendly C0 category in many regions. On the other hand, the Air 3S is much beefier at 723 grams, placing it in the C1 category. While the Mini 5 Pro is easier to carry, the extra weight of the Air 3S makes it a tank in the sky. If you are flying in heavy winds, that extra mass helps the Air 3S stay rock solid while smaller drones might struggle to keep the shot steady. When it comes to the camera, things get very interesting because both drones use the same 24mm wide-angle sensor. This means your basic image quality, low-light performance, and color depth will look almost identical. Both can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second and offer professional color profiles like D-Log-M. However, the Air 3S has a secret weapon, a dedicated 3x telephoto lens. This lens changes everything by allowing you to get close-up shots without moving the drone. It creates a beautiful compression effect that makes backgrounds look massive and cinematic. The Mini 5 Pro lacks this second lens, though it does offer an optimized 2x digital zoom to try and close the gap. If you are a social media creator, the Mini 5 Pro has a massive advantage with its unique gimbal design. It can physically rotate to shoot true vertical video, using the full resolution of the sensor for TikTok or Instagram Reels. The Air 3S has to crop its image to shoot vertically, which means you lose a bit of quality in field of view. The Mini 5 Pro also features a rotating gimbal that can tilt in ways the Air 3S simply cannot. This allows for more creative angles and unique perspectives that make your content stand out from the crowd. Flight performance and features also show some clear divides. The Air 3S can fly much higher, reaching a max altitude of 1,000 meters compared to the Mini 5 Pro's standard limit. This is a huge deal if you are filming in mountainous terrain where you need that extra ceiling to clear peaks. Both drones have excellent obstacle avoidance with LiDAR technology, making them very safe to fly. The Mini 5 Pro does introduce some handy new ease-of-use features, like automatically powering on when you unfold the arms or a dynamic home point that follows your location. Battery life is impressive on both, but the Mini 5 Pro can actually stay in the air longer if you use the optional Plus batteries, reaching up to 52 minutes. The Air 3S is no slouch either, offering a very respectable 45 minutes of flight time. Another factor is noise. The Mini 5 Pro is much quieter, which is perfect if you want to fly in public without drawing too much attention. The Air 3S has a deeper, louder hum that people will definitely notice from further away. Price is often the final deciding factor for many people. The Mini 5 Pro is significantly more affordable, making it the better value for most casual users and social media enthusiasts. However, for professional landscape photographers or those living in windy, mountainous areas, the extra cost of the Air 3S is justified by the telephoto lens and better stability. My best opinion is that the Mini 5 Pro is the ultimate everyday drone because of its price and vertical shooting, but the Air 3S remains the king for serious cinematic work. Both are incredible machines, but the right one for you depends on whether you value portability or professional versatility. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon like that.